It's not gonna track you anymore, so I'm gonna do it again one more time. You see, and it's tracking me. What's going on? It's weird. Now it's tracking me, and I'm gonna go ahead and ride around in my board here. See, it lost me again. Now it tracks me. All right, it does track me. It's kind of weird. Last time it did not work, but I'm gonna go ahead and ride around. And you guys gonna see we're gonna go from here. All right, the camera is on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and ride. It's tracking my face, so you can go ahead and ride around with this board here, and then track me again. See, it's supposed to be like that. And this time it tracked me right, so I don't know, maybe, I don't know what's going on last time. But we're gonna do one more time again, and we're gonna go from here. Hold on. And here you go. So I'm riding this board. This is always cool, man. They always look at you. So I'm just riding around using my Osmo Mobile 3, and the good thing about the extension is the fact that you can have it like this. It can track you in whatever you go. So if I have it like that, it's weird, but and then we're gonna go ahead and see. Catching up. So I'm able to ride my one wheel just using it. But like I said, you're risking your $1,000 phone, and hopefully you don't crash. But like I said, if you do, you just gotta remember, use your back to crash. But anyway, I'm using it right now, and it's tracking me. And I'm gonna go ahead and see what else with this guy. And that's it. And then I'm gonna go exit out, and then I'm gonna go back this way. Hold on. So you gotta stop it. Stop it if you wanna switch camera. So I'm switching on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in let's go ahead and put it in the sport mode. Let's go. I don't know why it's tilting that direction. And then let's go ahead and do a sport mode. And extremely windy, guys. We're gonna have a hurricane coming. So you guys can see. I mean, it's lightweight. See the setup here? It's very lightweight. We're gonna go ahead and see how the sport mode acts, and then we're gonna go this way. All right, hold on. And we're gonna go back and turn this way, and it did work. All right. I'm gonna do a last test now, and sport mode just stopped. Okay, and then now I'm gonna stop here. Now the benefit of this, especially if you're a skateboarder or you have an electric scooter, now you can do a gesture. So you pretty much just do this here, and this is supposed to be the selling point of this gimbal, you know, do everything for you. But we're gonna go ahead and try it out if we can do that. And then I'm gonna go here, and then I'm gonna put Alright, we're gonna go ahead. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the gesture control. And then it's supposed to track you once you hold on. Alright. And it's supposed to track you. Let me go ahead and see if it's tracked me. Would be nice. So is it tracking me?
Hello guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and share to you guys here lots of attempts that I had to go through. I mean, to be honest with you, I don't really want to show this video, but I want to go ahead and show you exactly how I experienced, especially being outside, especially in bright light or cloudy days, you know, using this 3.0 gesture active track and stuff that I had to go through.
Is it tracking? Is it tracking? There you go. Alright, it's supposed to track me ready. And then I'm gonna go ahead and ride around with my one wheel just to make sure if it does. Okay, now it's tracking. Alright, and let's go ahead and ride with the one wheel if it's still tracking. This is supposed to be the selling point. Hold on, I gotta turn this on. Hold on. Whew. Hold on. And it's tracking me. See, that's supposed to be the selling point in this I call this on this Mobile 3. So if it did track me, it'd be good. I want to see how far can it track me. Nope, it lost. Did it lost me? It lost me. Yeah. So, like I said, it's still gonna be gimmicky. Hopefully it did. Did it track? Let me go back. Okay, it track me again. Whoops. Let us go ahead and see if it tracked. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and stop it again. Alright, I'm gonna do one more time. Okay. Okay, it does work. And then I'm gonna go ahead and ride my board. It's tracking me. I don't know if the camera's pointing. See, I don't know anything. See the Action Osmo Pocket, I will know what's going on. But this one, I'm not too sure if it's tracking me, but it seems like it because the camera is moving. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go this way. I'm gonna turn back around. Go fast. You did track. Whew, slippery here in sand. All right, let's go back. Woo! Yeah. Oh, if it did. Oh. You do one more time. So it did track me. Let's see. Oh, it lost me. Can you come back and redo it? And like I said, it's done. That's the only problem about it. That's it. Wow, interesting.
Clean firmware update will probably do good on this Osmo Mobile 3. To be honest with you guys, you know, DJI product is always like this. From Spark all the way to Mavic Pro 2, to Osmo Pocket, all the way down to Osmo Action. So hopefully DJI fixed this issue. I'm just trying to share my story with you guys. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, and share.